What's up, guys? I've been in the process of trying to zenify the new place in Austin. I am one of the #1 king procrastinators that I know, and one of the solutions that I found was to flip my bed up. And I put some cool Zen tapestry on there. It's really nice, but very minimalistic setup, as you can see here. And I also got this other like really affordable chill $30 meditation fountain. Check this out. How cool is that? And if you have any worries, just watch the crystal ball there. So wherever you are, you can definitely make your place more calm just by like a few little additions. So hope that my Zen fountain has inspired you to put like little calming things, little reminders everywhere. Also picked this up at Goodwill. It's actually a little meditation pillow. I myself don't use meditation pillows, but it's good to have it there to sit. When I practice meditation, I actually use a bench. You guys can see that. So the key thing here is putting little reminders everywhere to try to be more present in the now, and be surprised. You can actually go really far with not a lot of cash to chillify your home, if you will. So I hope that this video resonates with some of you. If you're interested, I can tell you the kind of fountain I got, and the meditation bench, or this wicked Zen tapestry that I have here. So yeah, I'll probably put another video on the bed, because I'm always trying to find ways to be more productive, and that's one of them. The bed is only for sleeping and other things that I won't mention on this video. Anyway, see you in the next one.